Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute crochet flower bouquet keychain. Let's start making step by step. First of all, I am going to make daisy flower, make a magic ring and make one chain. After making one chain, make 7 single crochet. Look at the process. If you don't know how to do single crochet, just visit my channel and you can find there a video beginners friendly. So I made 7 single crochet. Now it's time to make a slip stitch like this. Chain 1 and in round 2 make single crochet increase. It means 2 single crochet in one chain. So in round number 2 I will have 14 single crochet. Now make a slip stitch to close this round. Yellow part is done. Cut the yarn and make a green part with same process. This is the inner part of the flower. Now I am going to make petal. I'm using white color for making petal. Put side by side these two main parts and insert your crochet hook in any one of the chain, but keep in mind the crochet should be within the two parts. Attach yarn and make 3 chain. Now in the same chain make 2 double crochet. The first petal may be somehow difficult for you, but believe me, it's very easy process. So I made 2 double crochet. Now make 3 chain, 1 2 and 3. Now work in the next chain from both sides, yellow and green part. Hide this leftover white yarn, make a slip stitch like this and one petal is complete. The whole process is the same like this petal. Again chain 1 2 and 3, total 3 chain. In the same chain make 2 double crochet. Chain 3 again and in the next chain make a slip stitch. Follow this pattern for making the remaining petals. It's very easy, even beginners can do this. I will go slowly for my beginners. Watch carefully. Yarn over into the same chain, yarn over again, pull back. Now I have 3 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loop. 3 chain and now in the next chain make a slip stitch. Okay, follow the process. I will be here at the end of this round. Okay, let me tell you, these leftover yarn just hide inside of the two parts. Okay, your project should be neat enough to be nice and beautiful. Okay, I'm done. This flower is complete, and you can see how nice and nicely finished it is. It's time to make leaf. Make a slip knot. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. In the first chain, make one single crochet. Sorry, don't you can't work in the first chain. When you have to make a single crochet, you will skip first chain and work in the second chain. So make a single crochet in second chain, and the next chain make 5 half double crochet. I mean 5 chain and 5 half double crochet. Okay, every chain 1 half double crochet. This is the last one. In the last chain make 3 single crochet, because here is the turning point. Okay, 3 single crochet are done. Yarn over and work in the same manner on the other side. 5 half double crochet. Yarn over into the chain. Yarn over, pull back. Now I have 3 loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loop. This is half double crochet. Repeat the process. In the last chain make 1 single crochet. Yes, this is single crochet. Now in the first chain make 1 slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So 1 leaf is done. I need 2 leaf, so make 1 more leaf. Cut this yarn. Oh yes, I forgot to attach wire in the leaf. So you should attach wire for rigidity. Let's assemble the parts. Put side by side the 2 leaves and wrap the yarn. It's very easy, not a difficult task. You can choose how long your pedicel should be. Okay, my flower is done. So cute. If you guys are watching, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new, do subscribe my channel for further updates. Okay, now I am going to make the wrapping. Chain 50 to 60 and make double crochet all. Total 6 rows. I made total 6 rows. You can make as many as you want. So it's very easy. You know how to do double crochet now. So I will skip the process. This is the last double crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Hide this leftover yarn. Your project should be nicely done. So my bouquet wrapping is ready now. It's time to make a tie or bow. I made 60 chain, but you can make as many as you want. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet ideas. If you recreate this, make sure to tag me. I would love to see your beautiful work. So it's time to say goodbye. See you soon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.